Alrighty, for this project, I'm using 3 basic things. The canteen base, that's aluminum, briquettes, grill topper. I just want to show you this grate up close. Cut it down generally to the size you need, and then fold it over the edges of the canteen. See how easily that folds with my hand? That's what you're gonna want. You're gonna want something that you don't have to use tools with, but see how I can just fold that over the edge of the canteen? Obviously, I'm going to test this outside. I have water nearby. Let's see how this works. Making sure that the grill top holds up. It should. It's actually made for a grill. I'm not sure about the direct heat though, so we'll just have to check it out. Okay, well, good idea, but you can see like I just totally ruined my grill top. What I should have done was waited until it burned down. Let it burn just a little bit more. Okay, so it looks like we finally just have, you know, the ash, have what we need. So I'm gonna try this now to see what happens. The flame is out. I'm hoping that it'll work. So let's see what we've got. Wow, good. Pretty good for a wee little grill. Oh, we're going up to 190. Oh, wow. Nice. Look at that. Now we're talking. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's with 3 little briquettes. Okay, this has been burning about, I don't know, 5-7 minutes. My top is still good, and I want to recheck the temperature. What we're getting. It's climbing pretty fast. We're at 190. Oops, okay, I want to keep it on top of the, like right at the top of the grill. I don't want to stick it down in the fire. So at the top of the grill, you know, we're at 200 like 5 or 10 minutes later. It's been about 15 minutes. We can see that this grill topper is going to be fine once you let the flame burn down. And let's see what my temperature is doing. Yeah, so it's still at 200 about 15 minutes later. But that's only with 3 briquettes. Oh, wow. Okay, well, okay then. She is a little cooker. A half hour later, 3 briquettes, tiny miniature grill. So I'm gonna take this and make it all pretty, and Mitty is gonna cook on it. So check back and see what she makes.